Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. Stefan. Today I wanted to share with you my grandmother's garden. I'm in Islamabad. So we should all keep Pakistan green, and to do so, my grandmother has a little farm which has a lot of fruits and vegetables. For example, a bit of red chili. It produces a lot of them. As you can see, only 3-4 plants produce like a lot of it. Very big chilies. There are also some figs growing and some other vegetables. They're not ready yet because we already harvested a few. So it's a good thing to have a garden in your backyard because, well, it also saves you a lot of money for buying vegetables, and also keeps your house look nice. Harun, grab that red chili, that big red chili. That really big chili. There's also a badminton court where we will play, but it is really hot outside. That's why we're going to keep this video short. Jazakallah khair. Hope you learned a lesson, and Jazakallah khair. Leave a like and subscribe because we are almost there at 100 subscribers, and it would mean a lot to us. Jazakallah khair.